Hi Sagittarius, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 20th of December. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what this particular week has in store for you. So the first card that I see for you is Ten of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, and Three of Pentacles. Person B here has the Fool card, the Queen of Cups, and the Judgment card. Bottom of the deck I have Five of Swords. This means that there could be some kind of competition, some kind of a rivalry, also maybe people just trying to distract you, okay, because they want to create some kind of um, a difficult situation in your life. So you may have people around you causing that interference as well. Now from the first set of cards I see you have 10 of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles means that you are in that energy where all aspects of your life you're doing really good, be it your finances, your career, business, your personal life, your love life, all the aspects of your life, all these areas are perfectly good, and there's nothing that you need to worry about. You have worked really hard to achieve what you are getting right now from Mother Earth. Now the second card for you is Ace of Wands, which means a new beginning. Okay, maybe for some of you, you may be looking for a new beginning, and that's more based on passion and physical attraction. The third card for you is Three of Pentacles, which means a third party situation for some of you. Now for person B, your partner, the first card is the Fool card, which is Aries energy. This means that this person wants to take a big leap of faith and do something that they have not discussed with you. Now in certain cases they may take a big leap of faith and move towards a totally different direction away from this relationship, or in certain cases they may also go ahead and do something that they have not discussed with you. Now the second card for this person is Queen of Cups, which means that they are in that receiving energy, the feminine energy where they want to receive a lot of love, care, affection from you. The third card is the Judgment card. This means that this person will eventually take a judgment call of what they want to do in this relationship, and once they take the judgment call, they will also go ahead and declare or at least announce to the world what is the judgment or the decision that they have taken. Now with this, let's quickly see what is the intention of this person for you. So the first card is Six of Wands, Ten of Pentacles, and the Moon card. Now Six of Wands means they want victory in this situation, but Ten of Pentacles, it shows abundance, it shows that you are going to do really well in all aspects of life. And with the Moon energy being there, there could be something, a secret, something that this person is hiding. Now we'll also quickly see what is the message that we have for you from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message that I see for you is you're very close to achieving your goal. This means that you're close to achieving your goal. You just need to work a little bit more and you will reach your destination or the goal that you've set up for yourself. Now we'll also see what is the message from archangels and if there is a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Magenta Dyed Agate. The crystal message is, are you seeking unconditional love? You really want others to demonstrate the love they have for you. Show your love for others and know you are well loved by many. Allow love to be a receptacle for all that is love. Love is your natural state. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Zadkiel, which I'll put in the description box and you can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of these videos, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.